Have you ever dreamed of one day owning your own business? One that had global potential? What if I told you that such an opportunity not only existed, but was positioned in front of the biggest trend in the history of the internet? Welcome to the world of Doobly, a reverse auction site and a global enterprise, where you can purchase the hottest selling in-demand consumer products at a fraction of their normal price. In today's economic times, people are very receptive to saving money, especially on quality name brand items. And that's what makes Doobly Network such a timely opportunity. Doobly Network utilizes the most powerful advertising medium on the planet, word-of-mouth advertising, to drive massive amounts of traffic to its auction website. Just recommend Doobly.com to your family and friends and watch your business grow. If you're looking for true passive residual income, then look no further. Doobly Network is quickly becoming one of the best income opportunities in the world. The digital revolution is here to stay, and Doobly Network invites you to join us today.